Everyone thinks the best-selling anti-spy detectors are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ability Hidden Camera Detector. Let's kick things off with the Ability Upgraded Hidden Camera Detector. This little device caught my attention because it's packed with AI-powered technology and is priced at just $31.99. If you're looking for a reliable way to detect hidden cameras and other surveillance devices, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Ability stand out is its military-grade AI detection. This means it can spot hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and eavesdropping devices with incredible accuracy. For example, you can easily scan your hotel room before you settle in, providing you with peace of mind knowing you're not being watched. With over 933 reviews and a solid 3.7-star rating, many users have found it effective for everyday use. But here's the catch. Some users mention that the audible alerts can be a bit too loud for discrete situations. Here's the thing though, if you're in a hotel or a public space, you probably want that alert to be loud enough to ensure you don't miss it. So, while it may not be ideal for quiet environments, it's perfect for most scanning scenarios. This is perfect for you if you travel a lot and want peace of mind knowing your privacy is protected. Skip this one if you need something ultra discreet in quieter settings. For the price, it's a solid option that won't break the bank. Now, if the noise issue was a concern for you, the next product might take a different approach to discreet detection. Product number 2, ERYITRDK Hidden Camera Detector. Next up is the ERYITRDK Hidden Camera Detector, also priced at $31.99, but boasting a 4.5-star rating from 143 reviews. What really caught my eye is its combination of wide area scanning and infrared capabilities. If you're worried about hidden cameras in larger spaces, this one's worth considering. The extendable antenna on this device helps provide better RF pickup in larger areas like conference rooms or hotel lobbies, which means you won't miss any signals. Plus, the infrared scan can reveal hidden pinhole cameras in low-light situations, making it a great tool for hotel rooms. This dual capability gives you a comprehensive way to check for privacy threats before you settle in. However, a few users pointed out that the battery life could be improved. But honestly, with up to 25 hours of battery life and a compact design, it's still incredibly travel-friendly. If you're just looking for a quick scan before entering a room, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is ideal for you if you're often in larger venues and want a reliable way to check for hidden devices. Skip it if you prefer a more straightforward design without additional features. For what you get, it's a good value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want advanced features in a portable package. Product number 3, JAXDIN G9 Pro Hidden Camera Detector. Moving on, we have the JAXDIN G9 Pro Hidden Camera Detector priced at $64.34 with a 4.1-star rating from 262 reviews. Right off the bat, this one promises faster and smarter detection, which caught my attention. If you're in a high-risk situation, this means you'll have real-time alerts about any hidden cameras or listening devices nearby. It's also designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. With an impressive 72-hour battery life, you can take it on extended trips without worrying about charging. Now, some users found the setup to be slightly complicated for their liking. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the ease of use becomes a huge benefit. If you prioritize premium features and responsiveness, this minor learning curve is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for tech-savvy users who want cutting-edge features in a compact design. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler device without all the bells and whistles. For serious privacy protection, it's a great investment. Now, if you want something that focuses on discreetness without the complexity, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Coilbone Hidden Camera Detector. Next, let's talk about the Coilbone Hidden Camera Detector, which is priced at $31.99 and has a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from 87 reviews. What stood out to me is its compact and lightweight design, making it perfect for travel. This means you can effectively sweep for all kinds of hidden devices in a variety of environments. Plus, with up to 25 hours of working time after a quick 2.5-hour charge, it's designed for on-the-go use, which is a huge plus for frequent travelers. However, some users found the sensitivity levels a bit tricky to adjust at first. But honestly, once you get used to it, the customizable sensitivity is actually a big advantage because you can tailor it to the specific environment you're in. This is ideal if you're looking for a lightweight option that can do it all while you're traveling. Skip it if you need a device that's ready to use right out of the box without tinkering. At this price point, it's an unbeatable option. Now, if you're looking for something with even more advanced features, the final product on our list offers just that. Product number 5, Dancing Colors Hidden Camera Detector. Finally, we have the Dancing Colors Hidden Camera Detector, priced at $28.49 and rated 4.2 stars from 152 reviews. I was drawn to its professional-level scanning capabilities. This device features a 4-in-1 design that sweeps for wireless cameras, GPS trackers, and listening devices. With 5 adjustable sensitivity levels, you can tailor your scans based on your environment, whether you're in a hotel, office, or even a dressing room. One downside, some users reported that the instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility of this device in different environments outweighs that initial learning curve. This is perfect for anyone who values thoroughness in their privacy checks. Skip this if you want a straightforward, no-frills option. Given its capabilities, it's a fantastic value for the price. So there you have it, 5 great anti-spy detectors. Each brings something unique to the table, from AI-powered tech to user-friendly designs. Whichever one you choose, you'll be taking a step toward better privacy protection. In summary, we've covered the Ability ERYITRDK, JAXTING9 Pro, Coilbone, and Dancing Colors hidden camera detectors. Whether you want cutting-edge technology or something more straightforward, there's a solid option for everyone here. Make sure to choose the one that best fits your privacy needs and enjoy peace of mind.